To see if any device software that is not installed in your computer, click Start. Go to right click My Computer, then click Properties. Now this dialog box will be displayed, or this very window. Yeah, while we're using Windows 7, you get a window. In this window, click Device Manager here. Then you'll be taken to this very environment that has all the hardware components in your computer. This is where it is congregated. Now it is processing it to gather every information about it. Have you seen here? So it is assumed that in this very computer or laptop, all the devices in this very laptop are derived. So this is the normal look you are expected to get. But if it is not derived, you will see something like any yellow sign on top any of these very devices. In case it is your network card here, either network or wireless, this is where you see it, where you have network adapter. Right on this network adapter, you see something very yellow on it, so it will be this way. Now if it is wireless network, you see WLAN. Right, if you want to update, now if you have the software that will help you to drive that very software, in order for you to drive it, you need to right click on the yellow, any of this device, any of this part that has yellow part, just right click on it and click Update Driver Software. Right, that's when you have inserted the software into the computer. Then Update Driver Software. Now make any of these two choices. You can say search automatically for updated driver software that's using the internet. Then here is for you to use to do manually. Say Windows will search your computer and the internet, right? So here is for you to use my computer or any of the devices that are on your computer. Just click on it. Then here you'll be prompted to select where that very setup that will drive this very device is. Maybe it is in the CD-ROM. Now you need to browse here and set the CD-ROM. Right, scroll down and select the CD-ROM. Okay, let's see. Okay, computer. Right, you see here, click there. Then you see something as DVD stroke CD RW. It might be different from what you have on my screen. Then just click on it. Right now, because there's nothing in it, so it prompted us to insert in the software. So I didn't insert anything, you can't get anything out of it. That is, you are just assuming that you have it on the computer. Then click OK. Right, then you have here, all you need to do is to click Next. Right, it still prompts you that you need to select the device that have the software. Okay, let's change location. Then Next. Now if you click Next, same thing applies. So but the point I want to understand is, if immediately you have inserted that very software, you click Next, all you need to do is to continue to decide where either choose any of the questions that display alongside it. Just choose any of them and then click Next. All right, so okay, let's just use this very part of it to see what we can get. Click here, say let's pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. So remember, the step is next, and it will drive the hardware that is not derived.